Something I've learned this past few days of really being consistent on YouTube channel is that once you're not a YouTuber, you stop watching YouTube for fun. Now you watch YouTube for creativity, for ideas on how to improve yourself and things you should do to avoid any difficulties on YouTube. Like you can watch people that do similar content to what you do. You see how they place the angles of the camera, you see how they like shoot angle, you see how they like basically everything you need to know, which is actually very interesting. I've spent a couple of hours watching a lot of YouTubers. Like I watch them, and the ones I really liked, I comment underneath. And I also watch some few mistakes you need to be careful about YouTube and the like, which I think is really fun and exciting. To be honest with you guys, like I'm finding it fun. Maybe it's because I like it, so it's quite interesting. Anyway, I've been able to plan, and I wrote down some points. I wrote down some things that I know that I could also do to improve myself as time goes on. So yeah, basically that's what I did today, which is very productive, and I'm grateful I'm able to achieve that as well. So I'll just have some leisure time for myself. I probably just watch some movies and then I take a nap. After that, I'm going to wake up and edit some videos because I have some videos that I need to upload. Like you all know, I upload like 4 times a week. I keep saying this all the time because it's not an easy job, honestly. You post 4 times in a week, so I have a lot of content I really need to edit. So yeah, basically I think that's what I will do for today, and I'll call it a day. So if you've gotten to this part, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, because those are the things that actually motivate me to just like keep going. Someone out there is definitely looking up to you. Like, and then yesterday when I was watching a video, I saw, you see the what's it called, what's the name of this lady that is trending recently? Maybe it's Do Dash or something like that. There's one of my videos that I watched, and at the end she said just keep striving, keep going, because your people will definitely come. Your people will definitely come your way, and they will even be grateful that like you never give up, you kept on showing up. So I think that really resonates with me for one reason. Like, just don't give up, just keep moving. You can't tell me we have like billions of people, and out of all the billions of people you can't find your 10k people. That's impossible. You can't find your 5k people. That's impossible. So eventually your people will definitely show up. This is just me telling myself anyway. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.